Once upon a time, there was a girl and a guy. Deep inside their feelings, they actually love each other. However, what happened? In the end, though they realized that they really love each other, what happened was they don't have the guts to share what they really feel to each other. And this is what actually happened.
And you're now listening to your favorite Westwind radio station,
107.9.
Westwind Rules. Once again, don't forget to catch us every Sundays at 9 p.m. in the evening, and you are now listening to your favorite radio station once again, 107.9 Westwind Rules. Thank you so much for listening, and once again,
This how it ended.
Ano, hindi na ikaw yung lyrics.